today my kids were cleaning their room and they found their old Stretch Armstrong. But he's as hard as a rock. Like, you cannot bend him, stretch him. It's snapping inside. Let me get a close up here. So we are going to cut him open. So we've got our scissors here. And I think we're going to start right at this, like, break in his arm. Oh, we got it stuck. So, all right, here goes nothing. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, it's like solidified glue. Can you see that? It's like, so, look, it's like a balloon. Hang on, let's see if we can pull it off of it. Oh my God, it's stuck on there still. But... Oh my gosh, it's in the shape of his hand. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, that's so funny. It's like, here, it's rock hard. Okay, so we've cut his arm off, and I think we're gonna go for the leg now. Here, Ava, can you hold the camera for me? All right, ready? We're gonna go for the leg. So let's see if there's a good break somewhere in here. Oh, here we go. Yep, right at the back of the thigh. We're gonna cut that. Let's see what happens. Oh.
So like that's what you do?
Oh. Whoa. So it broke right in half. It's almost like, it looks like solid, like solidified glue. I mean, it's definitely hard. It's like plastic.
Yeah, look at this.
I feel bad now. He's missing an arm and a leg. But this is what his leg looks like. Now, mind you, we have had this Stretch Armstrong for quite a few years. I would say probably, I don't know, 5 years. And he's just been up in my kids' room for a while. So, okay, guys, I think what we're going to do is try to cut the skin off and see what we're left with. I know we broke his leg and his other arm, so I'm going to see if we can get this off of him and see if we can retain the rest of his body shape. I wonder if his abs are shaped in there too, like these. So this is what he looks like after we broke off his arms and legs. The little pieces like this, let me see if I can pick them up. Little pieces like this, if you warm them up in your hands, they actually start to get sticky and bendable. So I think he was just cold.